Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we answer your most pressing food questions. Today, we're diving into the world of goat cheese. Specifically, can you freeze it? Let's find out. The short answer is yes, you can freeze goat cheese. But there are some important steps to follow to ensure it stays delicious. First things first, wrapping it well is crucial. You want to protect your goat cheese from freezer burn, so grab some plastic wrap or aluminum foil. Make sure it's wrapped tightly. You can even double wrap it to be extra safe. Next, for even more protection, you can place your wrapped cheese into an airtight container or a freezer bag. This helps keep out any unwanted moisture and odors. If you have a large piece of goat cheese, consider portioning it out before freezing. This way, you only defrost what you need. Don't forget to label it with the date. Goat cheese can be frozen for up to 2-3 months, so it's good to keep track. When you're ready to use your goat cheese, transfer it to the refrigerator to thaw slowly. This helps maintain its texture and flavor. Keep in mind, the texture might change slightly after freezing, becoming a bit more crumbly. But it will still be fantastic for cooking, baking, or adding to salads. So there you have it. Yes, you can freeze goat cheese, and now you know how to do it properly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more food tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next time.